I'm Dr. Suk Patel. I'm an oral surgeon in Statesboro, Georgia.
And I'm Courtney. I'm one of his dental assistants.
One of the things that we wanted to understand better was the prosthetic component and the whole digital workflow and how it could flow from a surgery standpoint, and to get that experience on hands-on on live patients. So far, we've been here for a couple days and we've learned a tremendous amount. A lot of the prosthetic and the digital workflow is something that I just hadn't thought about. Some of the prosthetic considerations and looking at the end solution when you're doing treatment planning, not just going in and just doing surgery. That's what we were here to learn, and so far we've got a good introduction to it, and we're looking forward to helping patients.
Understand every surgery aspect because we do that every day, but understanding what we need to go into making the prosthetics, it's actually beneficial.
The instructors are top-notch. Dr. Hogan, Dr. Klaus, they've done an excellent job. The staff here have all been great. So far, everything's been great. They've answered a lot of the questions I've had, a lot of things that I've been confused on and stumped on. They've had answers for, and it all makes sense. And I'll definitely highly recommend instructors here so far. And we're only on day 2, and so I'm looking forward to working with some of the other faculty and some of the instructors here that just arrived today.